When the goal is to focus on internal communication, one of the most strategic locations to install digital signage monitors is in the cafeteria. First, because it's a place where your employees will inevitably find themselves during their shift. So we maximize the number of people who will be exposed to the content. Secondly, because the exposure time is longer. Therefore, we optimize the chances for the messages to be seen, but especially for them to be remembered. The trap or the danger with such a long exposure is that generally we will be tempted to make playlists that are long. Very long. Even endless. So at the beginning, you'll be super excited, you'll create several contents. Then, for days, for weeks, even months, no new information will be added. It's better to have playlists that are shorter. You'll update more often and you'll have some consistency. It's kind of the same thing with web publications. If you publish a dozen of articles on your blog per year, well, it's better to post one every month and not all of them during the same month. As a rule of thumb, we recommend playlist duration between 3 to 5 minutes for screens installed in cafeterias. So if we consider a single clip is displayed for 10 seconds, it means you'll see about 15 to 30 clips in your playlists.